Hello guys! In today's video guys, I'm going to harvest my Calamondin. So today is harvesting day. I got the basket here. So, so this is the hybrid one. So it's a Calamondin. So I'm going to let's harvesting. So there. It's nice. Smells citrusy. Okay. Can you zoom this? Oh no, it's okay. They are already too ripe, so they needs to be harvested. Because if I don't harvest them on time, then they will fall. So I just keep them in the fridge. Okay. So there are still two small green in there, so I think just leave it to ripen. So this is the next one to harvest. This is a bit smaller. Look at the size, guys. Look. So, smells nice. Oh, this green is lemon. I love harvesting. There. So one more. So there is one green in there, so I think just leave it there. So now this is the harvest for today, guys. This Calamondin. So this is nice Calamondin. So the hybrid and the normal Calamondin. So look at this, guys. Is it that amazing? One is huge and one is small. Okay guys, thank you for watching for this harvest and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara, love, love, love.